Hello, welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for joining me again today. We will be going over the perfect twist out. This is my updated version. Enjoy. I'm going to be using Curls Creme Brulee. I still use that. So I got that, my Curls Creme Brulee. I got my water bottle. I also use a detangling brush. Rocket argan oil for my ends. So my hair is already detangled. As my hair started to dry, I re-wet, of course. And I work the water onto my hair just to make sure it's like super saturated before I even put my product on. It helps me move the product on my hair better, and it also, the water also is moisturizing your hair. I like to use a little bit of product at a time, because you can build up but you can't take out really. So I'm sure I'm going to add more after that, but I like to add a little bit at a time. And this is a step that you really don't want to skip. You don't want to like rush through this part. Working it into your hair is key, major. And like I said, my hair is detangled, so this won't like be hard work. Then I'm gonna get a little oil, pump of that. Now we're going to flat twist. I get my part straight down. Try to turn to make sure y'all can see it. If you don't know how to flat twist, I do have a video where I explain it to the best of my abilities. So you may find a better tutorial, but I explain it to the best of my abilities, y'all. Like, I tried. One thing I will say is when you are twisting your hair, I recommend that you hold your hair really like taut, because it's going to definitely loosen up. However, it helps my twist come out better, as opposed to like just twisting it loose. So I try to twist my twist down to the very end, and I do it taut, and then twirl the ends. Twirl the ends. Let me get a little oil. Twirl the ends around, and then when I let it go, it'll loosen a bit. Alright, I do that for every single one. Hi guys, so I'm trying to make sure I'm in focus. I literally have had these twists in for over a week and a half. I don't know. I've had them in for a very long time. Maybe I'll flash on the screen how long I've had them in. That's why they look like a bad lace front. So when I have somewhere to go, I take my twist down. If I don't have anywhere to go, I will leave them up. Like before, I never used to do that. I have some Manoi oil. No, I don't. No, I don't. Lad. I have some argan oil in the palm of my hand. So I'm going to take them down. And you want to have something on your hand so you're not taking your hair, your twist down dry. And you see, am I in focus, Jesus? You see how much definition I have, and these have been up for a week. When I put my twist up, if I do have somewhere to go the next day, I just take them down when my hair is completely dry. And when you take your twist down, you want to separate it right where it naturally separates, where you form the twist. That way you'll have less frizz, unless you're somebody like me who doesn't really care. But that's how you get less frizz, when you take it down right where you added the hair. See, just like that. And I'm looking in the mirror, y'all, because I can see. But for the ones I don't see, I just feel my way around the twist. And I'm rubbing my hands down because I have the oil on my hands, so I'm putting the oil on my hair as I'm taking my twist down. And my hair is still moisturized. I've had them up for a week. I haven't added any product in my hair. I'll add oil on my ends. It's like this. This like it's a totally different texture than the rest of my hair. You see how it's just like, it's like crinkly. Like this, my hair grows different in a lot of parts. But this is this texture on this side of my hair. And I don't know why. Like that's just how it grows. That's how it always has been. Okay, so I took my hair down. I moved too fast, and I don't want to say I'm rough. I just move too fast when I'm taking my hair down. So you can definitely have less frizz than me. I also do not use a lot of products because I like for my hair to be fluffy and not like weighed down. So if you use more products, and you'll get a lot more like uniform curls, like that clump together more. I don't use a lot of products, so I don't get a lot of like uniform curls. More oil on my hair now that I have it taken down, but this is more so for my ends again and my edges. You definitely don't have to do this, but I like for my hair to stay moisturized. And I go around and I pick from the root to take away any of my parts that may be showing, because you know, I don't want any parts out. I only lift at the root. I don't like go to the ends unless I'm like going somewhere and I want big hair, but I don't really do. Yeah, these are my results. My hair is very fluffy. It is defined. The struggle bus. So these are my results. My hair is very fluffy. It's very bouncy. It's not weighed down. I didn't use a ton of products. Next time I might try to use a whole, but my camera's about to die. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you coming back to watch all of my videos. I appreciate you subscribing, liking, commenting, and shout out to y'all. Let me know in the comments what video you want to see next. I would love ideas. But yeah, that's it. Peace out.